So we've got a massive pile of information about Vivo's next big thing, the Vivo X300 Pro. With a rumored October launch right around the corner, the leaks are flooding in, the teasers are rolling out. And trust me, this phone is shaping up to be a serious threat to the iPhone 17 Pro and Galaxy S25 Ultra. First up, let's talk specs. We now have a full spec sheet for the Vivo X300. And here's the deal. Now under the hood, both phones are running on MediaTek's brand new Dimensity 9500, which officially drops on September 22nd. Early benchmarks show it's over 30% faster than last year's Dimensity 9400, and yes, it even outpaces the Snapdragon 8 Elite inside the Vivo X200 Ultra. Battery life is a serious contender, with a massive 6000 mAh cell with 90W fast charging. Plus, it's got a USB 3.2 port and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. But here's where it gets really spicy. The X300 Pro. Vivo's executives are making some bold claims. 4K 120fps slow motion recording, Dolby Vision HDR, and 10-bit log video to rival Apple's ProRes, and even a brand new triple zoom flash system for better low light photography. They're saying this phone could actually outperform the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and even the Galaxy S25 Ultra when it comes to video. That's a big statement. On the design front, Vivo is using a new cold-carved glass tech. The phone is 0.34mm thinner than its predecessor, and the camera bump is a mere 1.28mm. Sleek and premium. Software-wise, both phones will debut with Origin OS 6 built on Android 16. And here's the kicker, it'll have a CarPlay-like car mirroring feature, and even an AirDrop-style wireless transfer that works with Macs and iPads, no Wi-Fi needed. Yeah, Vivo is definitely pulling an Apple move here. So there you have it, the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro coming in hot with cutting-edge hardware, next-gen video features, and bold claims that could shake up the flagship game. Now the big question is, do you think this is enough to stand toe-to-toe with the iPhone 17 Pro and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or is Vivo still playing catch-up? Drop your thoughts below, and of course, if you dug this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming coverage. Until next time, peace out.